Yo, what's up guys? It's been a while. And here's my car. Yeah. The wheels ain't on her because I need a new transmission. And because my transmission is down there inside the box. So it's been a while. Car been sitting for about almost a month. I can't find a good transmission. Tried to get a JDM one, but it's like 6 hours away from me just to get a JDM all-wheel drive, low mileage transmission. So it's this one's gonna have to wait for a while. I miss driving it though. But then I'm about to go to Cal's house. Yesterday I went there, but I forgot to record, and I got there late anyways. So he bought some springs that's supposed to lift his rears, and then yeah, I lifted it a lot. Like, he had this lift spring with 2.75 inch spacer in the back with the springs, so that's like, I don't know, like 5 inch. That bitch was stiff, but we didn't drive on the road because he can't get out from his garage. But then I'm about to go over there in a little bit to help Cal out. He made some smaller spacers for his rears, so we're gonna go try that out, and hopefully everything goes well. Does go good, I'll probably get a set. I'll probably get a set for mine too. But I like how it rides already. All I need is a fucking transmission. We'll be back. Yeah, I'm trying to fucking teleport. Hold up. Alright. Oh shit, damn. I got right here, a teleporter right here, Cap. What's up? What's up? Yeah, what kind of springs are yours again that you bought?
Old man.
Old man?
Yeah, the box are pretty sorry to crash it. But yeah, it's supposed to give you inch and a half to like up to 2 inch. That's what it says, but I mean, I put it on, it's a little bit too high because I actually have a 2 3/4 spacer, and then plus on that too, it's like, it's way too high, and the strut, it hits and it gets stuck, so I don't like it, and it's a little bit too rough. It contacts here, right here, where the strut at, and I just don't like it, you know.
Oh, see, you mark where you're gonna cut?
Yeah, I marked that so that I might grind that just in case, so like even with the body flex or anything like that, it doesn't hit that guy, and it doesn't damage this guy or that guy, so I might grind it a little.
Alright.
But then I'm gonna take off my spacers. Those spacers up there, I'm gonna put these guys on. I just made these today. These are in total of 1.5 inches on each side. So I'm taking off my 2 inch and 3/4. So I have to insert these studs. These are new studs. That's gonna go in the top hat. I'm gonna have to knock out those 2 studs out and put these in.
So yeah, we did a little marking to know where the spring, the bottom top hat, what the hell is that called?
That's just a shot. That's a bottom perch.
Bottom hat, bottom perch. Yeah, we marked them so we know how it's supposed to be and how it's supposed to set up. We just took the 2 bolts on the top off and took the one on the bottom, and this spring is fucking no joke. This shit is fucking tough. Yeah, this guy on YouTube asking me how do I get the rears on. Yeah, so this is the spring pressure that we use. So I had to custom this thing because groove teeth or whatever it's called. Yeah, these things are. It was too damn wide out, it was too thick, so I had to cut it and custom so to fit the CRV springs.
Nah, taking a break. Eating a pizza we just bought. Hell yeah. From Gallagher.
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to take it off, you know, you can also use this, put it under it, and center it and hit it out. Or not that, you can just tap it out. But it will hit the bottom, but you know, it's your choice, whatever, you know. Boom. That's it. Put your new guys on. Just like that. Make sure you put this guy over it.
Try to leave the spring compressor on, but we only had like the limit where you have to put the spring compressor. Okay, it can't twist around. Pretty tight in there. So everybody wants to know this is how we do it.
Alright, what I'm running is I'm running a 24 socket. It doesn't matter if it's a 12 point or whatever. Stick it in there. You want to use this side. The reason why I use this side is because the shock itself is cone at the bottom because the bushing part, right? You see it, right? So what you want to do is, because it'll kind of hug it in a little bit, you know. Not like this side. It won't. It'll just slip. Either way. So I do it this way. You know, so it'll, I mean, it doesn't have much grip, but it's better than the other side. Unless you can come up with something better, then, you know, that'd be good. You know, just drop it below, you know, it'll probably help us too as well. So what you do is put it there, tighten the jack up, and jack it up. Nah. Got it? Yeah. Damn. Can you remember me, give me my gun and get a 14 on it? See how it is first?
And here's one issue that we usually run into, that the spring don't want to sit where it's supposed to sit. We that one's easy to fix. We just hit it in. Okay, that one has to sit in a certain spot. We're gonna fight with that for probably not too long. Yeah, do that again. So yeah, that didn't work. We can use this crappy old spring compressor from Harbor Freight. This side's done, and we just have to like beat it a little bit, well a lot, just to get it the spring back in place. But after that, we're right now we're starting on the other side. Then we're about finished. Yeah, we're about finished. Yeah, Cal gotta be so loud over there. Yeah, we're about finished, and it took 10 times faster than yesterday. Yesterday took almost 2 hours to do one side. We gotta put the wheels on, and after that, and then I'll come back. And now here's the lift. We haven't moved the car yet, so it's set pretty high. Yeah, it's like yeah, it's pretty high.
Alright, when I did it, I measured it, that tire, and the top of this is where it meets the fender, the quarter panel right here, the flare, and it used to be right here, and that's how much I got out of my lift.
That's like about an inch and a half.
It's probably like
an inch and a quarter.
I say it's like an inch and a quarter or an inch. Yeah, I don't have a tape measure, so yeah, we're rigging it solid.
Alright, first this.
If I'm gonna hit that, you guys might have to get in the car and kind of weigh it down from the back.
Alright, I got you. Hopefully you don't hit on top.
Alright, here it goes, full speed.
Yeah. Go slow, slow. You might tip it a little bit. No, keep it. For the. Yeah. Almost in. Here she goes.
Oh, dude, I'm low out. pretty good, dude.
Yeah.
I'm level out, dude. Oh, let me see.
Hey, just try. Yeah. Open the door. Try to hop on it. No, open this door right here. Oh shit.
Oh, the door's locked. Is it on this side? Yeah, go ahead. Ready? Oh damn, it's not that bad.
Well, hop up and down. Dude, it's pretty stiff. It's not that bad. It's pretty stiff. What, you gonna take it to the road?
Yeah.
You're not gonna test it?
I'll take it tomorrow. I'm too lazy.
Let me see.
Hermes. You like Hermes?
Damn.
Yours not like that, huh?
Mine has I think mine has a little
bit
more
of play.
Yeah, a little play.
Look like you rub on this side more than the other side.
Yeah.
Well, right here.
Yeah, I did. Oh, I cut that, but right here. I brushed at the peach.
Oh yeah.
You can feel the metal right here.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I rubbed it off. There we go. St. Louis Mountain door.
Yeah.
Now I need to move this thing over. So as soon as I can come in, I've got to
Yeah, I've seen people cut like the rear.
just straight.
Yeah, right here. The seam right here.
These are high, huh?
Yeah.
I thought it was so naked like a rat.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna paint that top trim back to black.
Yeah.
Oh damn!
Oh,
Where y'all go?
Yeah.
look this Sequoia. This is my brother's car. And I'm inside this one. Yeah. Just washed it yesterday. It is clean. My windows are dirty as shit. Look at it. Still that's dirty. Oh, well, all you can see is fucking cloud. Oh yeah, we just found a box for
Eric,
the.
hello, Eric, how do you pronounce this?
Oh, you want one
How do
box?
you pronounce that? Menu. What? Menu. I don't know. I just said oh man, menu. Oh man, you. Menu. Oh man.
Just turn around.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, this is what I got.
Yeah.
I ran me like, I believe it was like 100. So I think it was like 160 to 180. Yeah, which it comes for just a pair. And it's supposedly rated at, well, saying that the lift would be like 1.5 to like 2-inch lift, which I do see that, you know. So you know, it's a good. I would say it's a good company, good brand, you know.
But we're not sure yet because we haven't tested yet.
So far the height is good.
Yeah.
I mean, I know that it's stiff because, you know, the car really even like bounce when we get on it. But we'll see when I actually do drive the car, see how it feels like.
Yeah. I guess we're done today. So we'll see you guys next time.
And next on my list will be, let's say, most likely wheels.
Well, yeah, mine's transmission, and then whatever's next, maybe wheels too.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming by, Tom.
Yeah.